Hello, welcome again, and today we are going to solve Gcd of two numbers. Gcd here refers to the greatest common divisor. It is the greatest number by which if we divide both the numbers and get the remainder 0. So let's understand this with the help of an example. Suppose the user has given two numbers as 4 and 6 and we have to find Gcd of both of them. So how we are going to find that? First we will do is first what we do is that we take minimum of both of them, and clearly here we can see that 4 is less than 6. So we assign 4 to a variable min, and then what we'll do is that we check we take modulus of 4 with min, and if it comes out to be 0, and also we take the second number which is 6 modulus with minimum, and if this also comes to be true, then what we'll do is that the minimum is the our answer. So we'll return minimum. If not, then we will decrement the minimum by 1. Okay, then check again. See, the minimum has decremented to 3. Now again we check if we take modulus of 4 with minimum which is 3, is it equal to 0, which is clearly not. So we will come out of this if condition, and again we will decrement the 3 to 2. Now again we will check if this minimum, the updated minimum, if we take modulus of first number which is 4 with minimum, it comes out to be 0, which is true. And also if we take modulus of 6 with this minimum which is 2, it also comes out to be 0. So this expression, this if expression comes out to be true, and now we will return min, which is our 0, which is our answer. So here the answer, the value of minimum is 2, and we will return it. So let's jump to the code and try to solve this question. Okay, so I have already written some initial code for you in order to not waste so much of the time. So let's make method of Gcd of two numbers. Okay, so first what we have to do is that we have to find minimum of both of them, like 4 and 6. So here I will try to find minimum of both of them. So let's call it min and create one method for minimum which is min of 2, and pass both the numbers, number 1 and number 2. And let's create this method, and it's a simple method, like we have written which is minimum of both of them. Like if the first number is less than or equal to the second number, then we will return the first number as the smaller one. If not, we will return the second number. Good. So now we got our minimum number. So we will check till our minimum not becomes 0, not equal to 0, and we are going to take modulus of both of them. Like if we take modulus of number 1 with min, and also if we take modulus of second number with the minimum, if we get the answer also 0, then we have to return the minimum as the GCD. So let's type number 2 and modulus min equal 0. If this expression comes out to be true, then return number 1 not number 1, we have to return min. Return min, else we have to decrement the minimum by 1. And if this whole expression comes out to be, if this whole expression get exhausted, then we will return what? 0. Simple. Let's try to run this program and see what answer do we get. So as we have prompted to type the first number, let's say it's 4, and the second number, let's say 6, and the answer comes out to be 2, which is good, which is correct.